Picture this, 66 million years ago, a day that started like any other ended in absolute catastrophe. An asteroid, 10 kilometers wide, came screaming through the atmosphere and slammed into what is now the Yucatan Peninsula. In that single, blinding moment, the world of the dinosaurs was shattered forever. Imagine the sheer force of this impact. It was like billions of nuclear bombs going off all at once. A mega tsunami, hundreds of meters high, raced across the oceans, wiping out coastlines. The shockwave ripped through the planet, triggering earthquakes and volcanic eruptions on a global scale. Superheated rock and debris were flung into the air, raining back down as fiery meteors and igniting continent-spanning wildfires. The sky itself was on fire. But the immediate destruction was just the beginning. The real killer was the aftermath. A thick blanket of dust, soot, and vaporized rock filled the atmosphere, blocking out the sun. For years, the Earth was plunged into a perpetual twilight, a nuclear winter. Temperatures plummeted, plants couldn't photosynthesize, and the entire food chain collapsed, starting from the bottom up. Herbivores starved, and then the carnivores that hunted them, including the mighty Tyrannosaurus rex, followed. The world became a desolate, frozen, and dark wasteland. In this global catastrophe, nearly 75% of all species on Earth were wiped out. The age of the dinosaurs, which had lasted for an incredible 165 million years, came to an abrupt and violent end. But life, as they say, finds a way. In the shadow of this devastation, new opportunities arose. While the giants perished, small, resilient creatures survived. Our own ancestors, the early mammals, were tiny, shrew-like animals that lived in burrows, which helped them endure the harsh conditions. And it wasn't just mammals. Some feathered dinosaurs, the ones we now call birds, also made it through. This mass extinction event, as devastating as it wasn't just an end. It was a new beginning. It cleared the slate, allowing these survivors to step out of the shadows and inherit the Earth. Mammals diversified, evolved, and eventually gave rise to us. So, in a strange way, we owe our very existence to that one terrible day. The end of their world was the beginning of ours. Thanks for watching. If you found this journey back in time fascinating, do not forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into our planet's incredible history. See you in the next one.